friends, it's Sonia Miller. Welcome back to my channel. I've got some super duper fun for us to get into today. We're going Herkimer diamond hunting, me, you, and Matt. I found some beautiful gemstones. I just made a necklace for myself. Come check this place out. You might too want to do it yourself. If not, just sit back and enjoy the sights and the sounds of doing some diamond hunting. All right, let's see what we find underneath this ground. If this is any indication of what we should find, that looks good.
Combination of other rock and dirt.
Where to look? What to look for? Okay, I'm gonna need to read that. I just have this, and you have that. Is that enough?
Yeah.
Do you want me to grab you another one of these?
No. We run them. I run them.
Oh, okay.
So I got chisels myself. And then... All right.
So apparently you can find stuff here because I just passed a couple and asked if they had any luck finding stuff, which they said they did. They did quite nice. So I'm not sure what quite nice means, but they seem to be putting things in their pocket and wished us luck. Whew. All right, this is a morning workout.
See this? Pores. Wait, back up a sec. See if there was anything in the middle of it. I just knocked it out.
Today is the day to wear safety glasses or your sunglasses. Oh, hey, Matt, is that? No, never mind.
Might be.
It's just a white stone. I thought it was clear. Ooh, that kind of like opened up really easy.
Yeah. See these pores?
Yeah. Is that where you'd find them?
That's where you find them, right?
Okay. Nada. So, oh, what is that little hole on the edge? Do you see that?
Yeah, there's nothing there.
And then you almost need a spot to catch it. Okay. All right, time to get to work with everybody else mining diamonds. Okay, this actually looks pretty craterish. Hey, buddy, you coming to say hello? He's a friendly guy. What kind of rocks are these that have like holes in them like that?
Just sedimentary. Old sedimentary rocks. Water.
All right, sounds good. So you were saying that...
Like this?
Yeah?
These ones here.
Oh yeah, look at all the like holes. It's like Swiss cheese.
Yeah.
Look at this white one down here. What is in that? Do you see that white
That's granite.
rock down here? So you say sometimes look down the ground because they just fall out and they're on
The
the...
majority of them are actually found.
Oh, what about this guy right here? Is that one?
Where?
Right here. on the top of this
this
point.
one right there.
Look at that.
That's a big one.
Really?
Yeah.
My goal today is to maybe find a couple
Of course, he's falling down.
that we can wire wrap.
Yeah, look.
Did we get one? We didn't even have to work for it?
Nope.
Look at that. A dime. Holy smokes.
Yeah.
That's a nice one.
Yeah, he's got a nice point on it here.
Oh
There
my
you go.
goodness. Okay, first find of the day. I'll report
Leave
back.
it to you. Leave it to you to find it.
Find the diamonds.
All right.
All right, friends, you know it's getting serious when I go back to buy a leather style pouch for my rocks, for my gemstones, and some digging tools. So we realize that you don't have to cleave and pound rocks, that some of the diamonds just fall out and you just kind of dig through the dirt. So I've got a tool for Matt and a tool for me because I want my own tool. You can't be fighting over the tools to get the diamonds. I feel like we should look right here. You know how you often overlook the beginning of something? We kind of started up here. I wonder if there's anything down right there in that tail. All right, you find anything? Broken ones?
Well, the reason why is because it's,
All right. I got those tools and I found this cute little, perfect, not too big, leather bag.
This is a fragment of a really nice one.
Let me see it.
The problem is it's just a fragment. And this is just looking around the dirt.
Okay.
I haven't found anything.
Did you see the beautiful ones they have in there on the counter?
No.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Let's find some good ones, like intact ones.
Well, now you can put them in here. Let's get the other ones out of the backpack. All right, I'm on the side. The other side that nobody's picking. And guys, look at this right here. Oh, I see more actually now that I stand up. Can you see that right? Let me see if I can get it. It's right in this, below this rock. Can you see it? It's the tip of it is sticking out right there. It's like right there. Look at that. Look at that. All right, going in. I see another one. Look at it. It's like right there. Do you see it? All right, can't lose my spot. So we found this rock and it had diamond quartz sticking out of it. And look at in there. Look at that big one. Do you see it right down there? Oh, let's get out of the road.
He might just come out with.
Is he loose? Oh, he's moving.
So we actually found 3 stones. I actually dropped one, believe it or not.
I'll find it. Oh, it's perfect.
Yeah, let me get down
Look
here.
at it. It's in its own little crater.
Yeah, that's how they are in the rock.
Just try not to hit it where it splits it. And we'll have to find the other one that we dropped. Oh. Would we be lucky enough? It looks pretty big. Did it fall out? Shake the coconut.
Not yet. Not yet.
Shake the coconut. Eek, 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 eek. Try that.
There it is.
You got it? Perfect shape. Harvested from the rock itself.
Oh, look, it is, bro. It has a blemish in
Slight
it.
blemish. That's okay. It's beautiful.
That's a beautiful one.
Yeah, it is. Oh my goodness. Let's see that. Look at that. Is that not insane? Wow.
So there's one.
Hiding? All right, let me see if we can find
Let
it.
me work on this
It
some more,
popped
see if
out.
I can find anything. Oh, there is another one. Look. See? Look. See it?
It's a big one down there.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
All right. Here's where the. You gotta be really
Put this
careful.
into my little bag on my wrist. It's getting kind of heavy. Oh, it's bouncing around. That's fine. As you're doing that. Oh, did it make it wide enough?
Well,
Oh.
it might not move. It's not moving. It's into the rock, right?
Is that it? No? Where'd it go?
I think
See it?
it's covered. Yeah, it's just covered with dust.
In the dust.
I was like, oh my gosh, where'd it go? See it? See it right there?
is to smash rock without smashing gemstone.
There it is. I see it. I see it. I see it. Okay.
SOS. We lost it. Oh, they look like moon crater rocks, but Matt. Oh, oh, there it is. There it is. Yep, right straight down there. You see it? Is that 2 down there? There's another one down there.
It is. It came out. They both came out.
Yay! Oh, those are nice. Let me see here. Got the 2 points on it. Look at that.
That one. That one's even nicer.
Beautiful. Oh yeah, that one is just really vivid and clear. Holy smokes. Can't wait to clean these up, guys. Yay!
All right. So let's take this rock.
Yeah.
Set them over here.
Okay. There's another one right there on the back side too.
Now, let me work on this rock here that we were getting all the good ones out of.
We got what, 5 out of it?
Yeah. 4 because I dropped it.
Okay, I'm gonna look for the one you dropped.
Another one that you found.
What kind of dog do you have? I need this dog that finds gemstones.
Spaniel.
How does she alert you to let you know?
Smells. And she'll dig and then she'll just stop digging in the
No
hole.
way.
I've been doing it ever since she was little.
Isn't that amazing?
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations on finding those.
She's found some this big.
Really? And what do you do?
Don't really sell them. Just keep them.
Keep them. Yeah.
Someday might sell them.
Yeah. It's a fun sport, isn't it?
Yeah.
To get out here. Now, I'm assuming that you live kind of in the area?
Oh, near Syracuse, a couple hours away.
And you come here, so this must be a good spot.
Yeah.
So, have you been here a few times before?
Yeah, my wife has like 100 bracelets on her medicine bag over the years. We were here before Ted's dad was running it.
So
20, 30 years
you
ago.
probably know, what is the draw to this spot down here at the very bottom? Like, why?
That's usually where he puts a lot of stuff, but he hasn't been able to because
Oh.
he's not commercial minded right now.
So we need to walk up this road and find the excavator.
Around again, and you'll see the big digger. And you see piles up in there that are loose dirt. And just dig and break.
Well, we're gonna head that way. So we are in the van, taking a moment to enjoy some AC and grab something before we go back out, some water and a bite to eat. Oh, look at them sparkle. They're obviously pretty dusty and stuff, but look at them. This is probably is this the biggest one? I think this is the biggest one that we found. It was so interesting talking to, and it's splintered, but it's still beautiful. It was so interesting talking to that gentleman earlier and how he's got his dog trained to be able to smell, he says. Isn't that amazing? Like, can dogs really smell gemstones?
I guess.
That's cool. Hey, whatever he's doing is working. And so to see the size of the ones that he have, yeah, I cannot wait to go back out. And he kind of gave us the heads up as well about, we found these in an area that has been there for a while. And now we're going to head up after lunch to the top of the hill, walk up and see if we can find some big ones up there. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to get these home and wash them. And I was talking to a lady here this morning, struck up a conversation with her, and she was telling me that she takes all the little ones like this here and she'll go on Amazon and find these little pendant canisters, like little glass or plastic canisters, whatever you want, and you can fill them up with these little stones in a pendant jar that you can put around your neck. So I'm definitely going to do that. And we've moved up on top of the hill here a little further. We were told by this gentleman to check out this spot up here, that there's some newer overturned earth up here. So yeah, we had a bite to eat. Now we're ready for round 2. Let's finish out the day. And what a day it is! Now where do you think the diamonds lay? I hear somebody cleaving rocks over there. Oh yeah, look at the tadpoles. The baby tadpoles. Wow. This has got to be like swimming pool water in here. He has legs. They have legs. Look at them. Oh my goodness, cute. That's some nice rich dirt over there. People are digging right into the side of the hill, going in for fresh dirt to then go ahead and, what do you call it when you shake it in the pan?
Sluice it.
It's called what?
You sluice it out. Well, usually
Sluice it out?
Water, yeah.
Shake it through a little tiny, what looks like a salad. Dryer offer. Sifter. That's the word, sifter. You sift it. We are back in the van and we're adding our other finds to the collection today. We also found some interesting stones that we're not sure. There was a blue one in here, and what was the other one?
I threw the blue one out.
Did you? We were trying to figure out what it was. Did somebody tell you it really wasn't anything?
Yeah.
It's a pretty color. So now we're going to take these home and clean them all up. There was one stone that we found today that I really loved. Where was it to? Let me see if I can find it. I pulled it out. It like stands out. Maybe it was this one right here. This one right here.
This one right here.
This is pretty. Look at these guys. These are beautiful. Like those are gorgeous for putting them into rings. So I'm going to do a ring for myself with this. And then I thought there's a lot of little pieces. So I'm going to probably do something with that. Maybe for some friends and, you know, add to my collection. I did get this in their gift shop inside. It is a beautiful chain. And then I also got this locket. And it's a little locket. And you can see in there, right? It's just like a circle. And it's magnetic and it opens up. One hand like that. And it hangs on your silver chain. And then you can put things inside. So things like this. We just got to get them home and clean them all up. Oh my goodness, gorgeous. Well, it was fun digging in dirt. Had a great day, friends. And be sure to come check out this place because it was a blast. And yeah, we're going to hit the road. So we will see you again real soon. Take care. Bye.
See ya.